We have a pre-made PowerPoint template for the Advent calendar. So what you have is a first page and you've got the 24 separate slides with blank things on them. So every slide has just got an area for people to add pictures, to add jokes, to add comments, to add videos, whatever it is people want to do. And the first page has got a picture behind there. So what you can do is you can take this file and you can share it with your class, and every member of the class could be responsible for adding something to a particular slide, or perhaps little groups of pupils could be in charge of maybe 4 slides each, or whatever it might be. So you can take this file and use it and share it whichever way you want. If you want to change the background image on the first slide, just go to the first slide, make sure you're on the Design tab, go to Format Background, and in Format Background we're going to say Picture or Texture Fill, click on Insert, and you can either upload the picture you have already, or perhaps you can search for the stock images or online pictures. So if I go to Stock Images here, for example, wait for it to load, and let's look for some nice winter pictures. Winter landscape. And we've got different pictures here. So let's say I quite like this one with the stag. Insert that. And all of a sudden the background will change to show your new picture.